Something big just happened. Something Apple did not want the world to notice. And before we dive in, make sure you subscribe for more informative videos. I work hard to bring you the most accurate and valuable tech insights, and in return, all you have to do is tap the bell icon, so you never miss what comes next. Now, let's get into the shockwave. Apple has quietly taken an axe to three of its most anticipated 2025 products. Not delayed, not redesigned, completely erased, gone as if they never existed. This isn't a rumor. This is a hard truth pouring out from inside Cupertino. For years we waited. We expected an M2-powered Apple TV. We expected a next-gen HomePod Mini 2. We expected the long-awaited AirTags 2. Today, all three are officially dead projects, canceled in total silence. And the reason behind these cancellations is far darker and far more calculated than anyone imagined. This investigation breaks down a three-stage internal disaster, a catastrophic hardware design problem, a secret AI power struggle, and mysterious new device inside Apple that demanded every available engineer. If you think the future of your living room is safe, think again. Everything just changed overnight. Let's start with the Apple TV, the product many believe would redefine home entertainment. Internally known as Project Hydra, this upgraded Apple TV was built around a custom M2 Nano chip, complete with active cooling and full console-level performance. Apple wanted to deliver true AAA gaming right from that tiny black box. Cyberpunk 2077, high-end shooters, everything running natively. But the dream collapsed because of one unavoidable enemy: heat. The chip ran too hot. The fan had to run too loud. Every attempt to shrink the cooling system failed. The engineers simply couldn't keep the performance stable. And when Apple realized production costs would push the price far beyond what consumers would pay, Tim Cook shut the entire project down. Apple chose to kill it rather than risk releasing a console that overheated, throttled, or disappointed gamers. Just like that, Apple's gaming ambitions vanished. Next came the quiet death of the HomePod Mini 2, and this one hits the smart home community hard. This speaker was supposed to launch with better microphones, improved sound, and a completely rebuilt Siri engine that processed commands instantly on device. But behind the scenes, Apple's AI divisions were fighting over resources. A new secret initiative, nicknamed Project Echo Killer, took priority. This wasn't a speaker. It wasn't a HomePod. It was something entirely new, a visual smart assistant. A device built around a screen, a camera, face recognition, gesture control, and a next-generation AI system. Anything voice-only instantly became outdated. So Apple cut the HomePod Mini 2, stripped Siri teams from Project, and redirected all development toward the screen-based assistant. The message was clear. Apple is done building simple smart speakers. The future is visual AI. Then there's the strangest cancellation: AirTags 2. This update was supposed to add upgraded ultra-wideband 2 for extreme precision, improved range, and better battery life. It was a simple product, easy to produce, guaranteed to sell. So why cancel it? Because Apple's next-gen smart home ecosystem depends heavily on advanced UWB positioning, far beyond what today's trackers offer. The new Apple TV and the new smart assistant under Project Echo Killer rely on this advanced location system. Apple refuses to release AirTags 2 until the tech is flawless across the entire 2026 smart home lineup. So instead of launching an incomplete version, Apple wiped it from the 2025 roadmap. The truth behind all three cancellations leads to a single conclusion: Apple is clearing space for one unified hub, the heart of the next decade of the smart home. Rumors from multiple leakers suggest this new device is a large, screen-based AI terminal, like an iPad designed to stay docked in your kitchen or living room forever. It will handle video calls, control your entire home, run Apple's upcoming visual AI, and even support cloud gaming. This is not the cheap Apple TV people hoped for. This is not a budget HomePod. This is not a simple tracker refresh. This is Apple abandoning inexpensive standalone products in favor of one premium all-in-one command center with a high price tag. Whether you love Apple or hate them, this shift signals a major change. They're walking away from affordable entry-level devices and moving toward high-margin luxury hardware. Gamers lose. Smart home fans lose. budget-conscious users lose. But for Apple's long-term strategy, it's a ruthless and calculated move. The Apple TV upgrade is dead. The HomePod Mini 2 is dead. AirTags 2 are dead. All sacrificed to build Apple's unified smart home machine. So here's the final warning. Don't buy a current Apple TV. Don't invest in outdated smart speakers. Wait, something much bigger and much more expensive is coming. And when it arrives, your entire living room ecosystem will shift forever. If this massive cancellation surprised you, hit that like button right now. And if you enjoyed the breakdown, subscribe, share it, and ring the bell icon. Your support helps me keep uncovering what's really happening behind the scenes. Tell me in the comments, are you angry Apple canceled its gaming Apple TV? Or do you think they're planning something even bigger? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.